Hey, it's Faye! So most of you guys know that I purged through 42 skirts that I've had over years. I am emotionally damaged and attached to add on to that feast. In today's video, I'm gonna be purging 30 pairs of jeans. I know, a lot of you may be like, wow, that's a lot of jeans, Faye. Listen, Linda, I sold a good handful of my jeans on Poshmark already. You're welcome. And just a little history for you. I was heavier, then I lost all my weight, purged those bigger jeans, tossed them. Now I have these medium jeans that I'm struggling to fit because I had regained. And so I'm stuck in this weird in-between where I'm like, one, was not smart to get rid of all my bigger jeans. And now I have these tinier jeans. Do I keep them or do I get rid of them? Do I buy big jeans again? Girl, point is, we're on the struggle bus here. We're still riding along the lines that this is hard for a lot of us. Going into our closet, seeing our old clothes, especially when you're struggling with your body and your mindset. You no longer look like this image you made yourself to be and once was. It is a very crappy feeling. That doesn't mean that we can't restart somewhere or find like middle ground. With that being said, here is the door to find middle ground. Come with me and purge 30 pairs of jeans I kept until I was skinny. These are most of my jeans. There are 30 pairs. Like before, I think it's fair that I just try a pair of jeans that I just know will fit me and is my to-go jean right now. Well, it has been for like 2 years. These jeans are from Shein and they've been my best friends for like almost 3 years now. When I was heavier, these fit perfect. And then when I started to lose weight, they were definitely looser. As you can tell, they're pretty fitted. Yeah, there's not a lot of wiggle room. I guess I should change my top. Ooh! By the way, if you like this tank, please wait until next week. This is what I mean. A simple tank and these jeans that will always be on my side no matter what. Obviously, keep. I don't really know what to expect with these ones. There is a strap where you can adjust your waist. It is on the most loose button, you best believe. I'm nervous. Oh, okay. Let me just stretch it out a little bit. I must say I am sucking it in. Like as I release, I'm spilling over. When I pin my legs together, you could just see this area projectiling. I would keep these jeans because what if I do start losing weight again? So I don't want that to be my deciding factor whether or not I do keep these jeans. It's like whether I'm gonna lose weight or not. I'm trying to listen to my body and see how it feels. I enjoy that these jeans are shorter for me. It's very petite. I want to expand those feelings. I'm so obsessed with these jeans. I kept these for a reason. It's been 2 years, maybe even 3. When I got these, I was so close into fitting them. Definitely lighter. So I'm nervous to even have this go up my legs, but that's what we're here for. I love the washed out color. I love the distressing. Perfectly on my thigh. No. Okay. I'm gonna have the hardest time letting this go if that's the choice. Honestly, I refuse right now to even consider letting this go. I'm not even gonna try to zip this. Clearly, I can't. I cannot. No. These are everything. Look at them. They're so cute. I can't. There's no way. My second date with my boyfriend or something, I wear these jeans. I'm so close. I know the purpose of this video is for us to purge and be courageous and let things go, but I know I'll fit these when I lose weight. I'm gonna let these sit in my closet for a little longer. I'll look for a bigger size and then I'll let it go. But if I can't find a bigger size, I'm gonna keep these. Please keep. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I feel like I'm disappointing you. I don't want you to feel disappointed. I just have to keep these. See, this is bad. I don't know. I'm not feeling great about this video now. Okay, these jeans do feel a little tight and stiff, especially around my no booty. But these jeans are such good quality, I'm not gonna lie. Very nice and structured. I know, I'm trying. Most of everything I'm not keeping will be on my Poshmark. However, I am gonna take a lot of these jeans to the women's shelter. Never worn these. Oh, these are so cute. These are cargo denims, pockets on the side. Again, when I first had these, they were small enough on my smaller figure. I'm not gonna be shocked. Clearly, can't zip up the center. My stomach is gushing. I know I shouldn't keep it. I just feel like deep in me, I'm so stuck on the idea that I'm gonna keep these until I'm skinny enough. I'm contradicting the whole purpose of this video. I'm so sorry, I have to keep these. I feel very bad. It's like all or nothing. I can't. I'm starting to feel like really bad. Ooh! Oh, I didn't even know I had these. Wow. I don't feel too guilty now. These buttons, they zip. Very loose. They're more of the boyfriend baggy jean. I don't feel great right now. I feel like I'm covering up the big issue here, and I'm still not allowing myself to face what I'm trying to tackle here. I feel bad. This is what we'll do. We're not allowing ourselves to keep both because that defeats the whole freaking purpose, and it makes me feel like a bad person, and I don't want to get emotional because this is stupid. And I'm keeping this one, and I'm letting go of the cargo jeans. This is like so dumb. I don't even know why I'm getting emotional because this is like not even like the purpose of this video. I just think I'm realizing how bigger of an issue this is than I've made it to be. I'm realizing I have such a big attachment to these smaller items of clothing. I think it's more of me feeling disappointed in myself right now, thinking I can find a loophole through this. I'm trying to hold myself accountable, and part of me is like, no, you don't have to. You know, with the whole purging my skirts video, feels so much better. So much better after I let all that baggage go. This video may seem ridiculously dramatic, but it's worth doing because I know at the end of this, like, I'm gonna feel so much better. With that being said, these jeans actually fit. They make me look like a Oompa Loompa, but I've had these ones for about 3 years now as well throughout my journey. They haven't really failed me, and right now we're back in the fitted stage. It's very long, so I cuffed them myself at the end. It fits and is cute, so these are one of my favorite jeans. They are snug. They have the asymmetrical lining. I don't have a lot of darker jeans. I guess it reminds me of that 2000s look, and I love this asymmetrical lining, obviously. I don't really remember having these jeans. Oh wait, no I do. The jean that has a cut on the back of your thigh. Snazzy. But they do have this really cute back of the thigh cut. They're in a lighter shade. In terms of length, they fit me pretty good. You do want these. They might be a little short on you considering my height. Therefore, not worth it. This sudden plateau right here, the belly does not squish downward. That's it. It's limited. You know it's tight when you have to hold on to your underwear while taking it off. You don't want to strip everything down. Yeah, this one has a stretch at the back. Don't get your hopes up. Wow, why have I not worn these more? It is a little tight, I'm not gonna lie. There's a stretch back here. These jeans can be like an in-between with the stretch. I do like the distressing on the thigh and knee. It's not as impressive as the one earlier. We're going in with another stretchy jean. Kind of fits the same to the one I previously tried on. Very snug where you do feel the clumps coming back up here, rolling up. I do like the dark jean color with the rolled cuffed ankles. Is it the most flattering on my body? I don't think so, but I like it. I literally only have 2 dark jeans and this is one of them, so uh-oh, here comes trouble. These jeans are giving fake it till you make it, suck it in, zip it up. You're supposed to strap this over your belly, except I will look like literal jello being cut up with a string. Because I have so many of the same kinds of jeans, whenever I find denims that have a little spice of its own, it's hard for me to want to let them go. I tend to want to keep them to fit them, but unfortunately most of these jeans with a little bit of spice are too small for me. Wow, I'm doing a lot better now, ain't I? Probably the only grays I have. The crowd goes wild. Actually, I think I got these from J Style or from the Asian plus size section. These do feel good on my body. They're just very, very long. My nail just broke. I'm not flaking off, I promise. Anyway, love this light wash of gray. Oh goodness. These are plus size jeans in Korea. They basically have this elastic band that you see on maternity jeans. Hey, at least there's a stretch. I'm not complaining. Pretty comfy. I feel like they look funny. My squishy literally being pinned against the wall. My body shape and my heaviness on top, I look like a lollipop. I just don't think it's worth keeping because it doesn't really flatter my body, so I wear these often. Most likely I'm gonna keep these. Baggy on my squishy area. It's like very long is what I mean. I think if you had like a longer torso, it'd be cute. Regardless, I roll them up because they're too long, but I love this wash. Again, a very light wash. I've worn these jeans when they're like too loose on me and baggy. Now I'm wearing them where they're a little bit more on the snug side. I feel like I can rely on these jeans, so keep. I have a lot more black jeans than I realized. Stretchy waist, pretty much outlined. Well, snug. Look how matte this black looks. Again, it's in this corduroy texture. Super long. Don't know. You can see the back. It's a little more snug fitted than I typically like it when it is snug. Okay, I have these random pink jeans. Don't talk to me, I'm an idea. Very tight. You can literally see the zipper fighting for its life. Yeah, clearly. Girl, like, is this one even worth trying on? I like it. There's a lot more space for my legs. In that case, keep. Brown jeans. This isn't gonna go well. Girl, nar. Very tight on the thighs. Bell bottom, flare, get the drift. Yeah, toss. Oh, I love these. Sorry, not sorry. These two have also been there. I wear these so often that people are sick of it. It's a light denim with this huge rectangle rip that I've been consistently ripping on my own. They're the brand Hide. When I started YouTube, I was a lot heavier, obviously, so I couldn't fit into these jeans, and I kept them for already 2 years, then fit them, and now it's just been on this up and down with me for a while. 5-6 years now. I guess I'm adding these jeans into this haul too. These don't even want to make it up here. I've had these for so long that I don't know why they're still in my closet. I've never worn them. Okay, clearly tops. I knew I had some -5 kg jeans. Got rid of so many of these -5 kg jeans. Ooh, okay. Oh, these are the jeans I wore to meet my boyfriend's parents for the first time. I like them. They're very straight leg, nice wash and light denim. The reoccurring issue here is I spill over a lot, and this is definitely a pair of those jeans. However, because this fits me right now, and it did back then as well, still feel like there's potential in these. I'm gonna keep these. Why do I have khaki? Nothing wrong with them, but I just don't ever see me wearing these out. Yeah, no, I'm not even gonna try. Not flattering whatsoever. I don't know what I had in me that said keep this. I am feeling the opposite of baddie. I feel like a slab of cold turkey. Okay, I don't know why I have these two same pair of jeans. I've had these since college. This is a size 6 and this is a size 8. Why is 6? I feel like I was not size 6 in college. Maybe I was in the beginning of college. I keep these around to wear to more dressy events. As you can see, my jeans nowadays, I like them high-waisted. These are like up to my belly button. I struggle wearing these because they're not as secure around the belly. If you know, you know. They're not bad. These ones fit a little bit better, obviously, because they're the size 8. I really like these because they have a stretch to them. They've always made me insecure about my muffin tops and then the dips in my hips. I don't know about the size 6. These can be handy one day. Number 6, tops. Really like these. So let's see how they fit now. This is one of those where I'm like, oh, I really want to keep it. It has cinching right here. It just helps bring in the waist more. It makes me look a lot tinier in this area. I love these jeans. I wore it once. I was probably at my tiniest and it was still very snug on me. So clearly, they were cute, but I tried. I really tried to like these from the day I bought them till now. They gotten tighter. You see why? Is it crystal clear, guys? I love the minuscule red hearts, but it's just not flattering on my body. Also, given that it's white, objects may appear larger than they are. The illusion of my belly is just like magnified. Oh, these are my Old Navy jeans. I feel confident that I can rely on these jeans. Love the stretch to them. And also, these jeans don't really give me shape. I'm like a straight box, but better than my dips being highlighted. Love the light wash. There are multiple buttons here. This is like the kind of hug I would want from a human being. These are the last ones, and these are definitely ones that I find it a little bit more difficult to let go of. These are from White Fox and the size medium. Very long for me, so I guess that part's easy to let go of. This patching part goes underneath. You're supposed to button it. Then you button this on top. Multi-layer asymmetrical, gives you a little bit more oomph in this area. There's a slight issue here. It just doesn't fit me. I just envisioned myself in these jeans for so long. Feels a little like betrayal to myself. This would deteriorate my mental state. So time, not happy, but it's okay. And this is easily the end of me purging 30 pairs of jeans. These are the jeans I'm keeping, and these are all the jeans that I'm getting rid of. I highly encourage you guys to just go through your closet and let go of some items that you really just don't need in your life anymore. It does nothing but damage to you. Quit holding on to clothes that will fit you when you're skinnier. I hope you found this video somewhat therapeutic. Until the next purge, I'm sending love. Bye.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't